Hi, folks. Yuvraj is late as always. This is Impropaganda. I am your host, Sukrit Chandhok, and we're just waiting for this guy to show up. You know, he's a 28-year-old man, but punctuality. Haha, I gaslit you actually in the bathroom. Dumb fuck. You, the audience, not the. Not
I
you.
was just gonna ask. That's for the audience,
That's
right?
for the audience.
You stupid dumb fuck.
Bunch of
All one
retard-
of you.
Bunch of restarts.
Yes,
That's a new one. That's a new one.
I saw that comment. Yes, these restarts.
That's a new one. I actually like it.
I do like it.
Yeah, because your brain does sort of restart.
It does.
I mean, for them,
Not always properly.
Well,
But
yeah, you can only reboot so much, you know.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, lovely restarts we have today.
Yeah. Watching us, not here in the room with us, but
Yeah.
Watching
For once, it's just us now
if you think you're not, you are kidding yourself. Okay.
and us, but we're not laughing. You're also not laughing. Correct?
Exactly, yes,
So, I
they're
mean,
also not
you see,
laughing.
we're all on the same page.
Thank you, Raj. Fuck.
Anytime, man.
Jesus.
मैं ही खुद पे चिल्ला दिया करूंगा.
हाँ
बकवास
नहीं
joke.
नहीं फिर वो एक्चुअली मेरे को करना पड़ता है क्योंकि सक्षम बताता है कि मजे तब आते हैं कि अगर मैं गुस्सा हूँ थोड़ा सा. वो कह रहा है अगर तुम शुरुआत में गालियां नहीं दो तो मजे मेरे को पता है कि एपिसोड ढीला होने वाला है. कहते हैं मेरे को.
वो
अब वो
बच्चा रील के जमाने में पैदा हुआ है ना तो उसको चाहिए कि हाँ वो पहले पंच आ जाए.
वो कहता है अगर भाई तुम्हारी एनर्जी जो शुरुआत में मैं देख के समझ जाता हूँ कि कैसा होने वाला है, ठीक है एपिसोड,
ओहो।
और अगर तूने गालियां नहीं दी शुरुआत में ही तो मतलब कि ठीक है इट्स गोइंग टू बी मिड. आई मीन ही इज नॉट गोना एंजॉय इट टू मच.
अच्छा
Now
सुन
this is-
बहन के लोड़े मादर चोद
सक्षम को सुना तू. तू
इंटर्न
सुना
के
सक्षम.
चौदे भोसड़ी वाले गुब्बारे के चुदासी साले.
गुब्बारे के चुदासी.
I'm just spitballing here. Well, listen,
Sure, dude.
rapper gonna
There's a bit of a
freestyle.
holy hangover going on, I guess.
He
Gubbare
gets
ke-
fucked in the ass by balloons. What do you want?
That's probably your holy. Probably
क्योंकि
was.
मैं ही गुब्बारा हूँ.
Ooh. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Right on.
Fatty days.
How was your holy? I didn't do holy, of course. I just fucking literally did not even step out of my house. I was just being a fucking, what is it called? A bed, I don't know, lazing in bed.
Bed rotter.
Bed rotter? Bed
क्या
rotting?
couch potato.
Actually, I was recliner rotting.
Bed aloo.
I was recliner rotting, you know.
Recliner rotting.
Yeah. I'm in the den, I'm watching TV, I'm watching movies. I'm having a good time, you know.
Nice.
Yeah. How's your holy?
Very full of नशे.
Of course.
वो कुत्तों की तरह दारू पी. कुत्तों की तरह सिगरेट फूके.
भांग
हाँ
वांग?
भांग भी पी.
Nice.
इंद्रवीर के वहाँ. I went to 2 parties. I was supposed to go to like 4 maybe, but I went to party 1 at 9 in the morning. I showed up, woke up the host, then
9 in the morning. Is that holy starts around like 11, 10 11 बजे as adults, no?
हाँ
You
but मैं
think?
उसको 9 बजे उठाने जाऊंगा तो वो उठेगा टाइम पे.
कौन देवान की बात हो रही है?
Correct.
Mr. Dewars.
Even last year, I went to his house and I woke him up in time for Holi.
Yeah. What's the wife doing? What's her job? The fuck is listen, lady. I'm kidding.
Open the door for me. Oh,
she
you've
probably-
come. हाँ, wake him up.
She's probably cooking the breakfast.
What
No,
breakfast?
I'm kidding.
शराब पी रहे हैं breakfast के लिए.
Congratulations.
I wish I had a woman who would make that breakfast for me.
You have a mother.
नहीं, that breakfast कि शराब बन रहा है ये लो.
अच्छा. You have friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Luckily, I'm not one of them.
I woke him up. I got absolutely plastered there. Then at 2 p.m. I fucked off, went to Delhi to Indravir's and had a lot of bhang there.
Anyway, the story just seems like there's going to be like, oh, I went to this place, had a lot of bhang, I went to this place, had a lot of alcohol. It just seems like that's the story on the whole. Is it?
Yeah, then
Sort
came
of.
back and played pickleball also.
Okay.
Well,
That's a good
blasted.
twist.
And we were smoking.
I'm glad I reduced the time we took to get there.
Good. We're all about efficiency and, you know, as a podcast, as an entertainment product,
अच्छा ठीक है.
as a human being,
पका मत मेरे को.
as a too late.
क्या चल रहा है?
बस यार
कुछ बता.
मैं I am currently on the straight and narrow. I am teetotaling.
Oh, so finally you're just seeing ladies and the Asian ones at that.
Yeah, the thin ones,
Straight and
the narrow
narrow,
ones, the
yeah.
straight ones, the narrow ones. Correctly.
Yeah, now
Correctly,
narrow
yeah.
eyes, correctly.
Yeah. No नशीली चीजें.
Oh, yes, correct.
Yes.
The actual, the real thing that you're talking about. No booze and no smoking.
Correct. I am clean.
Well, congratulations.
Well,
Let's hear all on that.
it's been a whole.
I'm just saying TikTok. All I'm saying is, dude,
It's been a whole 2.5 days, and I've only screamed at my own image in the mirror like 6 or 7 times. So yeah, so we're doing pretty well.
cheers to that. Cheers to sobriety for you. Cheers, bro. Yeah.
Dil se cheers, bro. मेरा नशा सारे यहाँ है bro. तू पी शराब, तेरे को जरूरत है ना. अरे 1.5 दिन के बाद ना, then you suddenly like, I'm better than everybody, bro. तुम पी रहे हो. Gee, bro.
1.5 दिन के बाद. Did you fucking
Couldn't
already...
be me. For 27 years.
So
But
1.5 दिन. So last week you tried this initially and you got 4 days in before you started drinking again. No, was it last week? It was the week before. Yeah, it was the week before.
The week
For
before.
2 weeks ago, you said, I am now not drinking till the 1st of May.
correct. And I
And
was very
now-
serious about myself. And then I capitulated the first time I met you guys. Well, after 4 hours, but I had that one vodka. And then Holi तो anyway, भाई त्योहार का दिन तो exception होता है. देखो, त्योहार की तमीज यही होती है कि आपने तमीज से नहीं रहना. You gotta respect it, bro. You gotta respect the occasion. So of
I'm
course,
just saying, I'm a man of my word and you are not.
I'm a man of your word also. Not my own though.
So drink up.
No.
My word.
Now I am. I
Got
used
you-
to be a
got
man
you-
of your
got
word.
you there, buddy.
Now तू ना वकील बन जा भैंचो. तू जानता रहे एक दो को.
मेरी आधे परिवार है. I'm happy with that shit.
Correct.
I'm good with that. I don't need to fucking. I probably couldn't even do it.
Correct.
Imagine going to fucking law school
It's
at
like
this.
going clean. You can't do it, bro.
No, but also like at the age of 29 to enroll, because the thing is, I don't even have a fucking graduate, like an undergraduate degree. I would have to do a 5-year course. This is not happening. There's no way that's happening.
नहीं तू सीधा डिग्री खरीद भी सकते हैं.
वो अलग बात है. वो अलग बात है. That's so funny you talking about the fucking law shit. मेरे को एक किसी का आया कोई internship करा दो यार पापा के साथ. अभी literally right now.
Wow.
The guy, look at the guy. You know the guy.
Ah, fuck this guy.
He's a decent lad.
Fuck him though.
Sure. Listen, I thought you were on the straight and narrow, but I think you want to keep
you fuck him.
You want to keep all the doors open.
You fuck him.
It's good.
He wants to get in your family business. You get to fuck him. No. Why do I get to fuck him? You get to fuck him. Casting couch पे तू ही बैठेगा ऐसे.
कर सकते हैं.
Correct. And then you can tell him sorry पापा ने मना कर दिया. That'll be fun.
उसको नहीं चाहिए. I think उसकी कोई cousin बहन वगैरह को चाहिए. So that should be more fun.
Yes, because with women it complicates the. Yes.
With the dude, it's what am I going to get out of it? You know. At best, he'll suck me off, right? With a lady, there's a lot more ways to be a rascal.
At worst, she'll suck you off.
Yes.
So I mean,
Exactly.
so either you can. I don't know, man. I think you got to do it.
Yeah, you could just be a creep.
I don't think
or
you have a
You
choice.
could just be a creep, or you could be literally the devil incarnate. And I choose the devil incarnate any day. You know.
I mean, he's a good friend. He's a good friend of yours. So you have to do this for him. I don't see there's any way you can not fuck his sister now.
Right. Yeah. You know, as a favor, he wants a favor, right?
Correct. And so do you.
And it's a quid pro quo. That's the way the world works. You know,
Correct.
you scratch my
That's
back.
also Latin.
You scratch my,
Legal इसमें काम आता है.
you,
Quid pro quo.
you scratch my back, I tickle your balls.
Correct. You tickle my
Classic.
balls, I lick your asshole. You know how it goes.
Yeah, step 1, step 2, step 3, you know, that kind of thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you see at the end who has more points. And that's how you win or lose the game.
More points?
Sorry, I'm in pickleball mode. It's just all.
What the fuck?
Because you said tickle
Is
balls.
sex a points game to you?
Is it not to you? Sorry, I just try to be the best at everything I do, man. Everything's a points game. Why do you think it's called a... Why do you think it's got bases, have got numbers? First, second, third, home run. It's baseball. It's literally baseball. You gotta knock it out the park sometimes.
Good one. Next. Good one. Next.
Next, there is... क्या अपनी लाइफ का बताऊं रैंडम न्यूज़ चीजें बताऊं
जो जैसी तेरी मर्जी. Apparently the work is underway for the resort situation.
Oh, we've resorted to that now.
Out in the Gaza, they've been they apparently launched fresh missiles this morning or something. When I woke up, that was the first thing that I read in the
Fresh missiles flown in from the US.
farm to door, farm to door missile.
Farm to building, bro. Farm to mosque. It's like how in Gabon in West Africa, those at least in 2010 when I went, those fuckers were so lazy कि वो अपना वहाँ bread भी नहीं बनाते थे.
Yes, the bread was
Bread
flown in from
France
You
on Air
mentioned this too.
France flights
Yeah.
in every morning.
I don't know
So-
if is it a matter of laziness or is it just
They couldn't find
could
like
they
labor.
farm?
No,
Could they farm wheat? You have to be able to farm
They
wheat also.
could.
No?
The 85% of the country is forested at the time. That's not the issue.
Forest.
Acha, but farm wheat, sure. I'm not sure if they did that because the locals, whatever, didn't take that initiative, whatever the hell, or इन्होंने locals के सारा land कब्जा, and locals भी बहुत कम थे. Population
Listen,
sucks.
agriculture is the foundation of civilization, and as we all know, that continent has had very little civilization. Weirdly, for a place that is supposedly the fucking genesis of all of humankind, they have had like one fucking civilization, Egypt.
Yeah.
That's it. Anything below sub-Saharan Africa,
Then they just have these little pockets of
so
tribes.
I don't think that, it's not a matter of lazy. I mean, they just don't know how to do it.
This is why Africa doesn't have food.
Correct.
This is the reason. These lazy fuckers.
It's not because of colonization. That's just
No.
it's a symptom, not the root cause. There's a symptom and the cause.
You're only colonized because you're shit anyway.
Exactly.
Listen.
Yeah,
The whites come and upgrade you. Whether it's us, whether
you were
it's
just
them.
meant to be taken advantage of, and this is what you get.
Yeah.
And
meant or women to be taken advantage of, It really. Why do you think, what language are we speaking in now?
Chinese.
हम यहाँ भैंचो संस्कृत में बतिया रहे होते पॉडकास्ट पे. No man,
हाँ.
not cool. No global appeal.
नहीं, बट हमारी सिविलाइजेशन पहले थी, और हमारी सिविलाइजेशन भाई इतनी भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ तेरे को एक चीज. तो दिस इज एक्चुअली one of the fucking. So what Anshuman has been doing for the past couple of days, non-stop.
Is uploading pictures on Instagram.
He has recently made an Instagram profile, and he thinks that he has to upload fucking 3 photos a day.
But on all separate posts. No 2 photos
No
together.
carousels, but carousels are also gay. I don't like carousels too much. I prefer like a single post kind of thing, even though I know it's dated or whatever.
And his thing is his handle is now Anshu at large. I was like, I should text him and write, you should
Anshu
change it to
medium.
Anshu was large.
Or Anshu at medium, these days.
Anshu now medium.
Uh,
Anshu extra.
yeah, that would have been classic for you to have said that. Made that
Yes.
joke. Yeah.
I didn't though.
Why not? What stopped you?
Honestly,
Shame. Some sense of
I'm-
shame.
listen, I'm
you have
part-
probably developed some sense of shame at this point.
no. You must be out of your mind. Listen,
I am probably am, yes.
I'm
To have
part.
continued this project with you over a year. Definitely.
Correct. Look at our massive success now. I'm currently wearing shorts in which apparently my balls are visible. So I mean, look, I know how to do
Yeah,
this.
but luckily I don't have a macro lens set up, so nobody can see them. Macro lens का मतलब समझता नहीं है तू, तभी
मेरे
तो-
मैक्रो नट्स हैं, दिख जाएंगे. But
होता है ना macrodemia nuts. Anyway,
yes, good joke, nice one.
तेरे जैसे ही मारा मैंने. ठीक है?
You're learning.
भोसड़ी
You're
वाले-
learning, buddy.
भोसड़ी वाले. अच्छा मेरे को let me get to
So
the fucking
intern,
point.
mother chod, sorry.
Let me get to the fucking point.
No. I gotta tell you why I haven't
This
done it.
Negro.
You
Carry
know,
on.
it's not I didn't message him because I'm like ashamed or anything. It's just I'm part African. No,
Okay.
I'm part African, so I'm just lazy. So that's why I didn't get around to texting him because I was like,
This is worth the deviation, the segue for the joke. Worth it. Really worth it. Cracked me up. I'm sure the audience is also on the floor.
Your
Can I
mom.
get back to the actual funny things?
okay,
Speaking of Indian civilization, just fucking conquering whatever the fuck is thrown at it.
okay.
ये तो सुन. अबे यार fuck मेरे को फोन ही अबे तेरे दोस्त का ही फोन आया ये पागल आदमी देख.
मेरा दोस्त.
Dude, I am podcasting.
I have no friends.
Oh, okay.
Oh, ये mother chod.
Yes. All I talk to him by. बहन का लौड़ा. What the fuck now? I have to open Instagram? Where am I? Oh my god. Rohan, I'll fuck you up, dude.
Not if I fuck you up for. Actually, you do it. I'm tired.
Okay, one.
Kind of makes me want to eat some mithai in front of some roza keeping Muslims. Where's Hussein when you read him? भाई मैं मुसलमान बन रहा हूँ. I want this to be my culture.
Dude, I'm telling you, Bharatvarsh, fucking, you can't get past us, dude. We'll absorb you, we'll fuck you up. There's more.
मुमेलू?
Mominu.
I heard मुमेलू.
Momelu.
कि मतलब खाना मैं खाऊंगा इफ्तार के टाइम.
That's probably what it.
मुमेलू.
Momelu.
But
You know what they're doing? They're doing what we do, but instead of Bund, it is Allah.
अब बुंड क्रिएट भी तो अल्लाह ने किया है.
Correct. They're going to the root.
They're going to the source. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Bro, these tunes are so original and memorable. I love it, bro.
Right.
What musicians these guys are.
So this was Islam, and then I'll show you Christianity also. We even went after Christianity a little bit.
There we go, balanced.
Correct.
ये तो बहुत
This
चल
seems
रहा
like a Punjabi edition.
है. ये तो बहुत चल रहा है.
Har Har Shambho. Church Nirale.
Rock banger.
Pretty crazy, right?
I love God, bro, and I like that he's trending again. It's been a while since God has been trending. Everyone shits on God because of shit happening in the world, but he's good, man. This is good PR.
If God was real, war would not exist. That kind of thing, right? If God was real, why is there poverty? You know, this is like honestly, this is very 15-year-old mindset.
There's a Ricky Gervais joke also.
Ah.
If you know this one, maybe you do. And he says, this comedian dies and goes to heaven and meets God, and God tells him to tell a joke or some shit, and he tells a Holocaust joke, and God's like, oh, this isn't funny. So he says, I guess you had to be there.
I guess you have to be there.
Correct, because God wasn't there, no? Sab hone diya. And it's this
But that's what I'm saying. This is a very 15-year-old conception of what God is supposed to mean.
Yeah.
So it doesn't make sense. It's never been.
It's right in the Ricky Gervais ballpark.
No, he is funny. Like, you know, but like a lot of his, like atheism shit is just. It's very.
It's convoluted. It's like
It's not convoluted. It's actually he's very much actually inspired by the new atheism movement. You know, Hitchens and Dawkins, and they are fundamentally just not seeing the whole picture. You know,
classic atheist.
classic. No, I'm talking about a very specific movement. But fine.
Third eye band hai na inki.
Fine. Related news. One thing happened. Unless you want to say something first.
No, I was just pointing back at you, mirroring your body language so that you like me more. Apparently, that's a thing.
Oh. Why are you doing that to me? Do it for the ladies. What the fuck?
As I
anyway don't like you. Like me more. Initial कुछ होना चाहिए है ही नहीं.
तो
नफरत ही नफरत है.
Only scope for improvement.
नहीं. नफरत ही नफरत.
Your maths sucks clearly.
Hold on. Yeah. Check this out. Forced to chant Jai Shri Ram inside Tihar, alleged ISIS terrorist tells Delhi court.
Good.
The accused was arrested in 2018 on the allegations of being a member of an ISIS-inspired group planning sewer slide attacks. Planning unalived attack,
unalived himself.
Unalived attacks. The word police is going to come after us. They'll fuck us on the fucking algo.
He's an unalive bomber.
Yeah, he's an unalive bomber. He's an unalive bomber. That's the way to do it. Yes, that's the way to say it. The man alleged his fellow inmates at Tihar jail beat him up and forced him to chant religious slogans.
Good.
Fucking do your fucking terrorism out this fucking.
This is how you will defeat terrorism. This is how it ends. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram, guys.
Let's fucking go.
Ek yum.
Shout outs to Lakshman while we're at it. What a lad.
And Bajrang, dude. Bajrang rocks.
Bajrang Bali is, bro.
Yeah.
My Tuesday hero.
It is Tuesday. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bajrang Bali.
Jai Bajrang Bali.
सीना चीर के देखोगे फोटो हनुमान जी की मिलेगी और अगर फोटो में उनका सीना चीरा तो अंदर श्री राम की मिलेगी.
The accused Rashid Zafar. Rashid?
Depends. Is he from the UK?
It is Rashid Zafar, right? Then
Should be Rashid. If
Rashid.
he's from the UK, then Rashid.
oh,
They'll
sorry.
say probably. But
Oh, sorry. So
Otherwise-
Rashid Zafar was arrested in 2018.
Zafar.
Zaf.
ZAFAR, no?
Rashid Zafar. That's how I know how to pronounce.
Rashid Zafar. दूर है भाई Rashid.
Rashid Zafar. Zafar, is it?
Yeah, like Ali Zafar.
Oh, Ali.
Whatever. Yeah, ZAFAR.
Isn't it Ali Zafar?
You know what? You're right. I'm an idiot.
Rashid Zafar was arrested in 2018 on the allegations of being member
We should
of an
restart.
ISIS-inspired group who were planning unalive bombings and serial blasts targeting politicians. Advocate MS Khan claimed in the application, which is likely to come up for hearing on Thursday, that the incident was disclosed by the accused to his father telephonically from Tihar jail.
They're letting him use a telephone also.
पापा ये मेरे को मार दे
पापा ये मेरे को मारने वाले हैं.
sorry.
मैं खुद को मारना चाहता
सॉरी
हूँ.
अब्बू मेरा
Abu.
ये मेरे को मेरा
Abu, it's Rashid.
मुझे जलील कर रहे हैं. जलील, is that the word? नहीं.
Zaleel is बेइज्जत करना.
Well, it is a form of. Well, whatever. I tried to Urdu it up. I couldn't do it. Can you give it a
कोई
shot?
बात नहीं.
Can you do it?
क्या कर रहे थे इसको मारने की कोशिश चल रही है.
नहीं इसको मारा पीटा है और उससे फिर the accused was beaten up and forced to chant religious slogans like Jai Shri Ram by his inmates. The application said, plea moved by advocate Quasar Khan.
अब्बू जान मुझ पे जुल्म किए जा रहे हैं.
Quasar Khan requested that appropriate directions may be passed to the.
Oh, Quasar Oats का Quasar Khan. Yes.
Oh, so the accused were arrested along with 9 others in December 2018 after the NIA carried out searches in coordination with Special Cell. And they arrested people across Uttar Pradesh and Delhi and fucking Lucknow, whatever the fuck. I mean, that's Uttar Pradesh only, I guess. According to the NIA, local made rocket launcher, material for unalive vests, 112 alarm clocks to be used as timers.
I guess वो उठ नहीं पाता सुबह. Must be real tough for him to get to school.
These guys, dude.
112 alarm clocks.
For
एक
suppose-
alarm clock को बार बार लगा दे भाई.
For a mission that supposedly, like, is really what is it called? Life and death.
Life or death. Literally.
Life or death.
Or death.
The guy
or
needs 100.
death or death. Because if he's an unalive bomber, his idea is उसको life तो चाहिए ही नहीं.
That's the death or death. Because what's the other option with the death?
Actually, no, wait.
It's life or death.
But a death sentence because he got caught. But the idea is इसका life or death, इसका death success, इसका life failure है.
Guys, if you get this this idea, this joke of his, please let us know.
It's very meta.
Please let us know. I'm begging you. I am confused.
So Holocaust survivor met God.
This is interesting. I mean, of course, I don't believe in bullying.
I do. I was bullied all my life.
I don't.
How could I not be converted?
do as I say, not as I do? Like I don't believe in it.
Yeah. Do unto others what was done unto you. I believe. It's in the Quran.
You gotta pay it forward. You gotta pay it forward. No.
Pay it forward.
Yeah. There's that.
Give back to the universe.
What you have received.
I saw this insane thing. Okay, it's from 2016.
Sure.
But I saw it recently. It cracked me up.
Sure. Puberty.
Hero runs into neighbors. But no, I then checked the news article. So.
But it is a puberty post.
Yes, it's on
This
puberty.
guy. Anyway, carry on. अबे एक काम करना एक ऐप डाउनलोड कर ले कुछ The Hindu या फिर कुछ डाउनलोड. By the way, The Hindu, I'm fucking sick of you guys. I'm not paying anymore. Fuck
Thanks
off.
for recommending the same one to me.
I'm not. Yeah, no. Honestly, you know what it is? Like I've struggled to find a commentary and an opinion fucking publication that I like to read. So Swaraj is one of them. I read Swaraj a lot. I like The Hindu also because I like to balance my fucking ideological
Yeah,
positions
viewpoint,
out.
sure.
Exactly, right? But the fucking app, it sucks. Why don't you have an iPad app? Why can I only log into the iPhone app? On the fucking website I can't log in. On the fucking Safari I can't log in on the fucking computer. Not on the iPad. How the fuck? Why am I paying?
And you call
Fuck
yourself
outta-
the Hindu?
Fuck out of here. I'm done with this shit. Anyway,
Fucking Jews.
what is? Do you read anything? Do you happen? No, you don't. What? Which publication would you recommend that I?
Oh, do I read anything now news-wise?
Yeah. No, you don't.
Google News.
Fucking dumb fuck.
I just swipe left. Google News I read now and then.
Carry on, guys. If you have any recommendations, I'm yelling into the void. Nobody's gonna comment. Okay, carry on.
Correct. That never happens.
Yeah.
Hero runs into neighbor's burning house and rescues their dog.
And leaves the family.
However, he later finds out there was no house fire and he was just hallucinating from the LSD he'd taken.
Wow. So he just stole a dog?
An upstate New York man, apparently high on hallucinogens, broke into his neighbor's home to save their dog for what he thought was a burning home. He emerged heroically with the dog in his arms. 43-year-old Michael Orchard was then arrested on charges of burglary and criminal mischief. He was jailed on a $15,000 bail.
Wow. Yeah, that's a good trip. That's a fun one, dude. You feel like a hero?
The dog must be hella confused, bro. ये बैचो हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ?
कुत्ता ही ऐसा है जो उसने कुछ काटा वाटा कुछ करा नहीं बंदे ने ऐसी बस कहते कि हाँ ले जाओ भैया.
घुस के broke into the house.
That's crazy, dude. What a stupid fucking dog. What breed is that dog, dude? Must be a fucking
उसने उठा के
Labrador वगैरह कोई होगा कोई बिल्कुल docile सा एकदम.
Labrador.
Labrador.
Labrador होगा.
It must have been a fucking Labrador, dude. Because those things are just fucking anyone you meet, they're like, oh my god, hi, can you kiss me? Can you love me? They're fucking crazy.
हाँ चल चल चल.
आजा मिलते हैं.
चल चल चलते
They're
हैं.
very cute. I love Labradors.
But that's stupid.
But they're stupid as fuck.
If you want your life to depend on something, make sure it's not a fucking Labrador. Stupid cunts of the animal kingdom. No offense, all Labradors watching this.
No,
I love you
you're
guys.
very cute, you're beautiful babies, and you're very cute. But you are not dogs that make you feel safe or anything, you know. Frankly,
And of course not.
yeah.
Speaking
Great-
of not being safe.
That's a good trip. You know, it sort of reminds me of how like do you know about the concept of the berserkers, the Scandinavian berserkers?
Explain.
Oh, you don't know this. So the berserkers, the Scandinavian berserkers, these guys, the tribes when they used to go pillaging, you know, the Slavic villages and shit, they used to take mushrooms and they used to go crazy on psychedelic.
Oh, the
they're-
energy wo jo
So that
pehle-
actually going berserk actually means taking mushrooms and going raiding, pillaging and shit.
Oh, really?
That is what berserk means.
Oh, okay, that makes so much sense. हाँ, वो पहले mushroom के trip में इतना वो energy आता है पहले वो ढीला ढाला होने से पहले.
They used to eat mushrooms and go fucking kill shit, bro. Take a lady or two.
Yes, it's the word that goes with pillaging that you say before. The unconsented
I
sexing.
didn't want to.
Unconsented sexing and pillaging, as
Grape.
you know.
It's grape.
It's
You can say grape.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like the juice.
It's the graping.
Yeah,
The graping and pillaging.
yeah.
Can graping, because graping, they will still be like, ये तो बकचोदी कर रहा है आदमी. Google, YouTube. YouTube, बहन के लोड़ो. Motherfucking word
I
police.
hate you guys.
I hate this
Fucking
shit, dude.
YouTube algorithm
Can you
bloody
fuck-
suppresses everything. We are
No.
saying unalive like a bunch of third fucking
No, but you know what?
restarts. I have to say restarts also.
No, you
Or-
retard works. Retard is not retard is
Eh?
never gets suppressed. Yeah, but saying retard and regard.
You're retard.
But calling someone a regard is just funny to me. You know, like, I think it's actually funnier than saying retarded. Sometimes, you know, like I think it
Depends.
just lands. Yeah. I can. I often find it.
But regarded has gotten a little stale for me. I'm happier with restart for
Restart
now.
is new. At least it's
Yeah.
fresh.
It's literally a restart.
It's we can arrive at multiple combinations and ways to do this.
Yeah, who wants to use the real word anyway?
Oh, dude, fucking thinking of. Do you know this guy Dan Toomey?
Dan to me. वो रास्ते में है मेरे पास आ रहा है.
Dan Toomey, good work. He's a YouTuber, good work, based out of New York and stuff. And he had this crazy fucking so right now the financial markets are all in a bit of a because there's been a bit of a dip in the markets, even in India, even in
Classic financial
in the US.
market.
So all the financial news media, they instead of saying recession, they have been saying the R word. The R word. They say the R word, the R word, the R word, the
For
R word.
recession.
For recession.
The R word.
The R word.
The R word.
The R word.
The big R word.
More economists are using the R word.
The dreaded R word, they don't want to bring it up. So they say the R word, okay? So,
They know there's like at least 3 R words that are more dreaded than that, right? How are they saying the R word? At
exactly.
this point, it's an R word.
No, but like you have to place it in the context of the media you're consuming. So, like I wouldn't imagine that you're watching fucking Bloomberg TV and there's the ladies out there going the dreaded R word and everyone's thinking, haha, restarts. I don't think that's the case. But his point was that when you read the headlines on Forbes and all of that, it does say the R word. And to most of us regards out there, we're well regarded people. You know what we're going to think. And my stupid
I'm kind of disgusted. What the
my
hell,
stupid
bro?
phrase just finds it so funny.
This
Dude.
bloody
These fucking-
censorship culture.
I'll tell you what it is. Like the number crunchers often tend to be culturally autistic a little bit.
Artistic.
An autist, you can still say autist. I don't think autist is.
But we're not using it favorably at all.
हाँ वो इतना नहीं सोचते हैं कंप्यूटर भाई इनको भाई एक शब्द दिख गया ट्रिगर वर्ड है ये लोग नहीं पसंद नहीं मैं तो कहता हूँ like for example now like Grok the X is AI shit you know what it is right Grok
yes.
so they have this uncensored mode or unfiltered mode something like that why don't you have that for YouTube where it is like one because you have already restricted mode I don't know if you know this.
Yes.
In your settings, you can choose a restricted mode. So anything that is offensive, even curse words and NSFW content, it already gets filtered out of your feed, right? Why can't you have an
How many
uncensored mode, dude?
Yeah, how many?
People who pay, I pay premium and shit. Just fucking give me a uncut tier.
I want unhinged content.
I want an Islam tier.
Don't socially fucking police.
I fucked that up. That joke makes no sense. Uncut बोल के मैंने Islam बोल दिया. मैं टमाटर हूँ. Give me a Hindu tier.
We'll restart.
Give me a Hindu tier.
Not the newspaper though.
No.
You guys suck.
Fix your fucking website, you dumb fucks.
Bad Hindus. Bad Hindus.
Sure.
The Hindu one.
This is bad tech.
Sure.
This is bad tech. Fix your tech, dude. Come on,
Hindus
man. I
are
like
just
reading your
perfect,
shit,
yeah.
dude. You're fucking great, but figure it out, dude.
Everyone knows Hindus are the best at tech, bro. They can't do this. We had flying chariots in the Vedas. Aeroplane tha na Ravan ka.
Pushpak Viman.
Pushpak Viman.
Correct.
Hindu airplane.
Yeah. Yeah.
Before the actual airplane.
You know what? Air India.
Wright brothers ने wrong किया हमसे चुरा के.
No, but Air India should rebrand some of their, tiers and shit. You want to fly on the Dreamliner. Call it the Pushpak Viman Express. or
Pushpak
whatever.
Viman.
Yeah.
The Sita Savior or whatever. Because they
Is that a
came,
thing?
I know she was kidnapped in it, but they also came back in it.
Which mythology is Garud from?
Same. Sorry, well,
Ramayana.
Vishnu. Vishnu's mount is Vishnu flies around on Garud.
Garud, okay. But so that's not Ramayan then.
Yeah, precursor.
Sure. Oh, Vishnu is a primordial. I mean, like one of those.
Yeah,
the
but
big
Ram
three.
Vishnu ही है ना.
He's a big three.
Correct.
तो but राम के पास तो गरुड़ नहीं था ना यार मैं ये
नहीं.
बोल रहा हूँ हाँ.
नहीं.
Did he have a different bird or some shit? Did he have a bird? No.
Sita.
Right.
But he had bird friends. Jatayu helped out.
Hmm.
And Jatayu got killed for his efforts. Jatayu is tried to save Sita while Ravan was flying her away in the aeroplane, Pushpak Viman. And Ravan fucked up his ass. Jatayu dead. Got unalived.
Rip.
Literally ripped his wings off.
Oh.
So, I mean,
rip.
some shit like that.
Rip.
And Garud was born to a rishi and an eagle.
I don't fucking care.
And his stepmom was a snake.
I don't care. Did you see Conor McGregor in the White House doing a press conference?
It's a very natural segue from Garud.
I was like, ये मेरे को पकाएगा अपनी mythology में क्योंकि तू घुस जाता है तू कथा में घुस जाता है और मेरे को ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
I'm storyteller.
यार तू बहन जो तू पकाएगा मेरे को फिर आगे.
Garud जी ले गए थे कॉनर मैकग्रेगर को व्हाइट हाउस फिर.
That's crazy, dude. So this guy apparently was there because it was St. Patty's Day, right? St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's. It was St. Patrick's. So apparently he was invited to the White House, and then apparently the press secretary she thought, yeah, why not take him out to the White House press corps and have him have a fucking, and he's out there
Punching people.
I mean, this White House is a little crazy, dude. I like that shit. They're going gangbusters with being retarded.
St. Patty's Day. Speaking of Paddy,
Yeah.
not Patty.
Rice.
This guy, no, इसका nickname
Paddy कौन
Paddy
है?
है. अरे एक pilot था, British pilot.
Paddleball.
His name is here.
Fuck.
He's John Paddy Hemingway.
Okay,
Just died.
Carry on.
Just died at 105 years old. He was the last surviving pilot of the Battle of Britain.
Oh.
Do you know the Battle of Britain in World War II? Nazis attacked the UK, and this was the first military.
World War II. Is this like Dunkirk and shit? No.
This is the first military. This is the first military battle, whatever, ever fought entirely in the air.
Oh, interesting.
It's called the Battle of Britain.
And he was the last surviving member
Last
from that.
surviving pilot from that battle. He just died like yesterday
Okay.
at 105. His name was Paddy Hemingway.
Rip man, you're a legend out there, bro.
Well, now he's up there.
Up there.
Back in the
You're a
skies.
legend up there, dog.
Back
Kill
in
it.
the skies where he belongs.
Yeah. Where heroes are born and where heroes go to die or whatever the fuck.
Yeah, originally from Dublin.
But actually, you know what? I think we got a little derailed with my initial reel segment from Anshu. उसने मेरे को एक दो और भेजी हैं जो मेरे को दिखानी है तेरे को.
दिखा ये अंशु भेज रहा है तेरे को रील.
ये सारी अंशु ने भेजी है मेरे को.
Oh my god! You have hit your midlife crisis, my guy.
Mid? Yeah, he's actually. He's right there.
Touching 40 nearly.
He's right there, dude. He's right there. Okay. The other one.
I can't wait for his life begins
this
at
one,
40.
I think, yeah, this one you gotta watch and you're gonna hold it to the mic yourself. The first one, wait for Jesus entry जिसमें लिखा है. वो तू खुद ही लगा क्योंकि तेरे को पास से लेते पड़ेगा, तेरे को समझ नहीं आएगा तेरे को.
मेरे को ऐसे तो नहीं दिखाना ना.
नहीं देखो उसको नहीं दिखाना,
तू
वो मैं
दिखवा देगा.
ओवरले कर दूंगा मैं.
तू तो दिखवा देगा.
तू ये अपना कर.
मेरा माइकड़ा ऑन है ना. ऑन है ठीक है.
The fuck? What have you been talking into the
Mike
so far, you dumb fuck?
अरे मैंने ऑफ भी किया था फिर से ऑन कर दिया मैं.
Jesus Christ, these fucking stands, I hate them. I wish I could fucking get an office boy again.
Get more arms and put them on that. It fuck up your table again. And then
No, I just need someone who fucking has an hours to spend to fucking do this for me. The stands, the arms.
might I suggest our lovely intern?
तू जानता कोई बंदा? नहीं वो तो अभी गायब आया वापस. वो छुट्टी के लिए होली के लिए गया था, आदमी गायब भी हो गया. पिछले मंगलवार गया था, आज भी नहीं आया वापस.
Must be hungover.
This fucking guy, dude.
This fucking guy, dude.
Fucking kid.
भोसड़ी वाले इंटर.
Anyway, carry on. I'll deal with him myself. I'll whip him.
I think I've helped you only.
He'll get a bit of an ass whooping when he comes back.
Motherfucker.
Tomorrow, I guess tomorrow he'll be back.
Love you. कुत्ते कभी ने. हाँ.
Yeah, you gotta do good cop, bad cop. अच्छा बचा ना. That's so crazy to me. That's so crazy.
Jesus
to
has
me.
done back day.
Dude, that's so crazy to me, dude. He took a weighted walk, you know. He's got
Yeah, bro. Oh my god. That
it's a
Wow.
weighted dance.
I certainly felt God. That was nuts.
That's so crazy to me. To
इसका बाप भी इसको सुनाता.
और एक आखिरी वाला है जो अभी की रियली अपने हिंदू धर्म की आई थिंक महानता
What are you trying to say? Greatness.
Greatness.
महानता.
महानता
महीनता क्या होता है? जो हर महीने होता है.
the one right in the middle, that's the one you got to play it.
The thumbnail itself is too impressive.
Play it.
It says Lora Sur.
सुन तो ले. Bro, any path you choose is available to you, bro. If you think you're not satisfied with the Shiv link, put a big dick on a statue.
And we're scared of getting cancelled.
I don't know.
London Lodasur.
मैं बता रहा हूँ अगर तुमने धार्मिक तरीके से कुछ भी कर लिया
How
ना,
big is that penis?
that's a fucking huge dong, dude.
My God.
That's a huge dong, dude.
In the words of ACP Pradyuman from CID, my God.
So this is the content that he's been sending me for the past 2 days, and every day I wake up, I see 6 o'clock, I'm up and I fucking just these are the reels that I've been waking up to the past 2 days. So like I must make a segment out of this and pay.
It's true.
Pay my respects.
What they say is true. Love will break every man. Doesn't matter who you are. I cannot wait for his life begins at 40 posts coming soon.
Oh, dude, that would be crazy. But I think he has had a bit of a realignment. Anyway, let's not fucking talk about the man right now.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, he's had a bit of a realignment of late, and that's good.
Good.
Uh,
Man, I've never seen anything like that.
मैंने भी पहली बार देखा है ब्रो. मतलब शिवलिंग वगैरह चलो ठीक है, सिंबॉलिकली होता है, सिंबॉलिकली करते हैं.
इन्होंने तो लंडी डाल दिया भाई स्टैचू पर.
लौड़ासुर. तो मैं बता रहा हूँ हमको भी ऐसे ना
शक्ल इसकी रावण जैसी है.
ब्रो, अगर हम धर्म की वाइब में बुंड पसीना करेंगे तो चलेगा. You know, then we're okay with it because it is an interpretation of Hindu faith.
मैया बुंड पसीना पहुंच दो.
अब तू कोई
लाला मैं
ये मत कर.
balls
धार्मिक
are
गाने पे ये
sweating.
yes, don't do that, dude. Don't fucking don't do that, dog.
They are doing it. Why can't I do it? Fuck, man.
Dude, you can't do
I
that.
just need a murti and stuff, and I look really serious. And aarti ki thali and everything will be justified.
That's you gotta get the aesthetics also going for us. You know, we can't be fucking dressing. You can't be in a fucking underwear, sitting here and expecting to. Well, I mean, अगर लंड की पूजा कर ही रहे हो तो
Ha, if my legs are covered, everything
नहीं,
would be cool.
मैं कह रहा हूँ नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ उतार दे. लंड की पूजा कर, उतार दे. तू चड्डी पहन रखी है, जरूरत नहीं है उसकी. That's what I'm talking about, you know.
मैं भक्त हूँ.
Yeah. Listen, I mean, you go to Kumbh, you'll likely see 1,000,000 penises. The Gauris are out there.
Correct.
Yeah, you'll see a bunch of fucking dongs hanging around, right?
Yeah. Just smear some ash over yourself and you're good. मैं शिव जी का भक्त हूँ ना.
There's ways to get around the censorship that's going on in this country, folks.
You just have to do it right according to the Sanskriti.
Yeah, you gotta blend it.
Then you're not ruining anyone's culture.
Because then you're just contributing your
Then
Playing
you are
into
the
it.
culture.
Thank you.
Thank you. बहुत धन्यवाद आपका.
This is how you do it right. You ship it directly to the man.
Sponsored by Swarajya.
Not sponsored. I just got this.
Doing culture right.
I don't know, this month or last month. This month probably, right?
अभी पड़ेगा क्या बैठ के?
Nice, they got a pink cover. They always do nice, colorful covers. I like that. Because when you put it in a magazine rack, it looks nice.
I liked the saffron one.
The Raja, a peak. They actually have not. Do I have? I don't have a single saffron one.
It's not all about you. Move
Achha,
on.
chal, theek. Good joke. A peek into the life and works of the maestro as he presents his first symphony in London. The Raja. ये कौन आदमी है? तेरे को पता नहीं कोई म्यूजिशियन लग रहा है आदमी? बता.
ये ड्रमर नहीं लग रहा है.
भाई हाथ में तो डांडिया नहीं है इसके. Who's this man, dude?
The Raja. पता नहीं.
Thalai Raj.
I don't know who this oily fellow is.
Raja's Harmonious Discord. A deep dive into the mind and method of Maestro Ilaiyaraaja. Right. In whom both Indian melodic and Western harmonic sensibilities reside seamlessly. Interesting.
He's made a lot of very good South Indian film music.
Oh yeah, they actually have the. You know what I was? Remember I was reading out that article for you about rap, hip hop diplomacy.
Nice. Ilaiyaraaja has made a lot of legendary Kamal Hassan South Indian movies. Unke soundtracks, which some I think have been adapted into Bollywood. So because Bollywood also at one time was taking a lot from South Indian music at the time, which was good. I'm talking 2000s Bollywood also.
Sure.
Like a lot of
Yeah,
those,
no, but like early Rahman is a lot like he was.
he made a lot of those songs.
Yeah.
He made first for South Indian movies.
Correct.
Then he took his own compositions and ported them to Bollywood because they asked for those.
By the way, I mean this is not. You look at it. Look at the industry right now. They are fucking bereft of any original ideas. All they do is fucking copy and remake.
They just
and
want to
fucking-
make it as dinchak as loud as possible.
अरे यार वो ठीक है. Original तो करो. टेप ही रहे हैं तब से.
They all sound the same.
पहले हॉलीवुड को टेप रहे थे, अब साउथ को टेप रहे हैं.
It's the same rhythm.
Fucking retarded, dude.
It's more often the same chords. The melodies are all fucking similar. The singers all sound the same now. Before, back in the day, you could tell Shan गा रहा है, Abhijit गा रहा है, KK गा रहा है, Sonu Nigam गा रहा है. Their voices are distinct. You can tell ये बंदा गा रहा है गाना सुन के. Now all these motherfuckers sound the fucking same.
Who all would that include? I don't, because I don't particularly.
Where?
In, in Bollywood music, now that you're talking
I
about the
don't keep
commercial
up with
singers.
them now.
But
There's
तो
like,
how can you
there's
say
like
then that they
four
sound
other
the same?
guys there's Arijit Singh has quite the original voice, but now
But
there's
I was
four other
watching-
guys who sound like Arijit Singh.
In fact, I'll tell you what, I was watching this video, maybe it was a reel or something that had come up on my feed, that Arijit Singh was saying that he had to change his voice from what he originally used to sing in to be able to, and now you're saying people are copying his voice.
Yes.
So did he have to also change his voice to fit this whatever pre-cut mold or something, or what?
In a way, he had to change his voice because in the similar way that Sonu Nigam pehle was rejected.
I'm sorry, what? You can't say that word.
Sonu Nigam.
Oh, okay.
तू मस्ती कर रहा है मेरे साथ हैं?
Carry on.
मैं तेरे को पॉइंट समझा रहा हूँ, तू मस्ती कर रहा है मेरे साथ.
मेरे को लगा भाई कि मैं I just want to, cover my ass. I'm not
Is this not a music podcast in which an occasional joke is tolerated? What are you doing, man? Sonu Nigam को पहले बहुत रिजेक्ट किया गया था.
Sonu N-word. Let's be polite.
सोनू एनवर्ड को पहले बहुत रिजेक्ट किया गया था बिकॉज आई लाइक तेरी आवाज बहुत पतली है.
पतली है.
हाँ माँ चुदा.
अच्छा.
अनु मलिक ने फिर
मेरे को नहीं पता था आवाजें भी मोटी और पतली होती. I mean, I guess like high or low pitch. High or
पिच
low.
नहीं पिच
Pitch नहीं.
पिच
sorry.
सुर होता है.
अच्छा.
मैं
High or low.
आ करूँ तू आ कर. It's the same pitch. If I do it's the same pitch but ये गाड़ी है ये मोटी है. If I do
तो note होता है क्या फिर? What is it?
pitch is note.
तो what is the fucking ऊपर नीचे?
Tone.
Tone.
Vocal tone. Thickness
तो
और
high
thinness
tone
of-
is पतली आवाज and low tone is मोटी आवाज. Is that what it is?
high tone low tone बोलना वैसी चूतिया चीज है. You should not you high note low
अरे
note.
गधे को समझा रहा है ना तू यार. तो explain it to a layman.
Thick tone thin tone बोल.
Thick tone.
हाँ.
But you do well in
I
audio
do
processing.
understand what you
You write
mean.
high and low tone. You do not do thick
High
and
notes or thin tone.
high tone, low tone. In audio processing, at least on Adobe Premiere, when I'm doing Essential Sound, the option for vocal processing is high tone, low tone.
Then they might be talking about frequency range of tones of notes.
Anyway, this is
Hoga.
getting unnecessarily.
Anyway, so Arijit may have changed his voice to fit him more because he must have gotten feedback on his voice कि तेरी आवाज में ये missing है, ये missing है. He must have trained and altered his voice that way. But even in that, he sounds original in terms of he's not copied somebody else. His voice is quite original. We now have some Indian singer also, some Vishal something or something, who sounds exactly like Atif fucking Aslam. I listen to it, I'm like, wow, Atif Aslam is singing in Indian movies again. I check, nahi, ये तो some Hindu name is here, is somebody else.
आतिफ असलम नहीं गाते हिंदी पिक्चरों में आजकल.
कोई नहीं गाता हिंदी पिक्चरों में आजकल. Since the last Hindi picture collaboration, I think
Pakistani
of
singers,
artists, of Pakistani artists, I think was "Ae Dil Hai Mushkil," जिसमें Fawad Khan acted, which is almost like 8 years ago or something. And तब भी बहुत outcry हुआ था कि पाकिस्तानी को कैसे ऐसे रख लिया. And a lot of his scenes were cut also. It was
He's an actor.
Fawad Khan is an actor, yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm just saying the whole industry has boycotted Pakistani
Pakistan.
whatever because of political pressures and whatever कि पाकिस्तानियों के साथ नहीं काम करना.
I'm down.
So are the Pakistanis. They are down. Cricket ho, entertainment ho, बेचारे. The only place I see it happening is in hip hop and whatever because independent artists are collaborating and whatever. Farish Shafi will make music with a Raftar, with a Pradeep, with a whatever.
Well, that's what it is. I mean, because
And they get the audience also from
pressure,
us.
political pressure can mostly be exerted on bigger institutions, where they also have a lot more to lose, right? An independent artist like you're nobody, so you'll take whatever you can get,
But इनके पाकिस्तानियों के तो आर्टिस्ट का ऑडियो मैं इग्नोर कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है मैं आगे लौटे फेमस होगा ना
तब भी
बस. But in fact these Pakistani artists just by sheer population also their biggest audiences are Indian.
Yeah.
More than Pakistani.
No, of course, dude. We have the numbers. We have the money. They got the numbers. They don't have the
They
money.
have,
Just,
they
money.
have 1,500 crore loss from hosting their own cricket tournament. That's what they have. So, I mean,
That's crazy, dude. That's fucking nuts. But I like it. Yeah.
I love it.
Yes. I just like to see them suffer a little
Jai Hind.
bit. Jai Hind.
That's all.
That's been that's been a bit of an overarching theme, honestly, on this today's situation.
Deshbhakt hai bhai hum.
Correct. yes and no, but yeah,
Bro, in life, you have to be dedicated to a cause,
yeah.
one or the other. And speaking of people dedicated to causes, there's one South Korean lady who has passed her driving test and she's made a world record while doing it
How come?
because she passed on a 960th attempt.
I've been telling you about the Asians and their driving.
They can't see.
They can't.
What's going
they've
on?
got half their vision, bruv.
And a quarter of the brain cells. I don't know, man.
No, the quarter was about the fucking.
Penis size.
In any case, let's not run it back. What else I'm looking at? Whatever the fuck. Israel preparing hell plan for Gaza that would cut electricity and water. अभी तक क्या चल रहा था मतलब
अभी तक उनको बिजली पानी मिल रहा था.
No, I mean hell. If hell is about to be delivered, what was this? This is just this is a picnic. It's a walk in the park.
So
They would have a good time.
Apparently today, without warning, some ceasefire violation ho chuka hai. 300 Palestinians have been killed again.
Well, this is what I told you, na. When I woke up in the morning, the first the news alert I saw was Israel launches missiles onto Gaza. I can open it up.
So वही fresh missile.
Yeah, Israel launches Gaza strikes as ceasefire breaks down. More than 400 killed after Netanyahu warns Hamas will face increasing military strength. Yeah, that's what's up.
Well, at least they didn't send them stale missiles.
Yeah, man, free Palpatine.
Free Palpatine. Hashtag Star Trek.
From the river to the sea, pizza will be free.
That comment was nuts,
That was too fucking funny to me, dude.
bro.
Sad. It is sad for Gaza, but at least there's going to be resorts there. I'm just saying, like they got a head start. Are you going to wait for bulldozers, or if you have the military, and if you have the US funding, just bomb the fuck out of the place?
Like khatam karo yaar.
I think bulldozers take too much time.
And
think-
so much pain and suffering.
Carpet bombing is easier.
Finish it in one go.
Think about sending honest American military construction workers to Gaza. What if they get blown up by some Israeli missiles? Just send the missiles directly, is what I'm saying, You got to get the fucking Riviera going somehow.
Yeah, man. It's the Middle East deserves this.
I think the world deserves this. Do you not want to spend New Year's Eve ripping it up in Gaza?
Smoking scorpions.
Ganja in Gaza. Grey Goose in
Rename
Gaza.
it Ganja.
Nahi. No thanks.
No.
You're off it.
Good thing
Stop.
is not your
You are
decision.
off it. Stop. Keep yourself in check, dude.
Smoking scorpions to get high is a growing problem in South Asia. The high is said to be so powerful that it
It's a
outstrips-
growing problem in South Asia. Can you define South Asia? I hate South Asia as a term.
Yeah, it's too big.
Yeah.
Like, does it count us? Does it count South India? Are they just talking about those fuckers in Indonesia? What's going on?
No, it doesn't count. I mean, the Indian subcontinent is, I think, is part of South Asia, is it? It is.
Yeah. Southeast Asia.
But
no?
the Indian subcontinent is enough. Why do we need, anyway? South Asia would then include like Thailand and Vietnam and all of that. Cambodia.
I
Would
think
it?
it's
Would it?
likely to be those fuckers.
Right. Asia minor नहीं बोलते थे इसको पहले.
Yeah, but then I guess they had to. The YouTube algorithm probably suppresses Asia Minor because they're like, oh, you're talking about Asian kids now. Fucking stupid cunts. I mean, vaginas.
In any case, what happened? You were saying something?
Yeah, smoking scorpions to get high is a growing problem in South Asia. The high is said to be so powerful that it outtrips heroin and can last from 10 hours to 3 days. However, the person spends the first 6 hours in pain while their body adjusts to the toxins
This is every time or the first time?
every day.
ये बंदे बड़े पागल है आदमी है।
6 घंटा
अबे तुम लोगों ने हेरोइन नहीं देखा, सुना क्या इसके बारे में? सीधे ही मजे हैं।
लाइक हेरोइन कम ट्रिप देता है, ठीक है, नशेड़ी के बच्चों हेरोइन कर लो यार।
आई गेस वो अवेलेबिलिटी की बात आती है ना कि बंदा पैसे खर्च करेगा। स्कॉर्पियन तुम्हें जंगल में मिल
आप
जाएंगे।
सड़क पे जा रहे हो, आप देखो वाह बिच्छू,
हाँ बिच्छू को खा ले और क्या।
आप एक दूसरे के साथ बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हो, एक बंदा बीच का बिच्छू है, आप उसकी जान लेकर उसको फूंक जाते हो।
Dude, you don't know how many times Saif and I have seen this one video of these Southie kids in India. ठीक है?
साउथ एशियन और साउथ इंडियन?
Southie in India.
ओके,
Southeast, dosa.
साउथिस्ट,
Southists.
यस,
The Appam. Okay, Appam gang.
अप गैंग,
Appam gang. So
डोसा इडली कार्टेल।
we get it. Appam gang. Okay, this one video that I can probably find on the internet. These guys are trying to smoke lizard tile. Tile.
टाइल,
Lizard
पूंछड़ी।
tail. They fucking break up they literally cut up a lizard tail. They fucking paste it like you do a hash thing, and they make a joint and they smoke it.
नशे होंगे उससे?
Apparently होते हैं. Apparently ये इसकी अक्षत ने भी बताया था कि जिंदल में कॉलेज में किसने करा था यार, कोई बंदा. He was fucking smoking lizard tail and shit. I like to experiment with a little bit of this and that.
And correct me
But
if I'm
I don't think insects, creepy crawlies enter the chat. Personally.
but
No
yeah.
judgment, but it's a little crazy.
So reptile is fine.
Creepy crawlies, isn't that?
Creepy crawly generally insects, but sure, I see how it applies to some reptiles.
So like
the
a
smaller
lizard or
ones,
something. Yeah, like lizard or something, right?
Because those are crawlies. Crocodile को तो crawla बोलेंगे ना, वो तो बड़ा सा चीज है,
Wow.
वो तो नहीं हो सकता.
Shut up.
But lizards तो you shut up. Lizard का तो बढ़िया है ना, उसकी पूंछड़ी तो वापस आ जाती है ना. Lizard tails grow back, no? इनका से एक defense mechanism भी होता है कि इनका tail कट जाए तो भाग
Oh,
जाते
so
हैं.
you just fucking foster one lizard, keep smoking its tail.
और
cutting
भाई
it
आपको
up,
फिर से
man.
score करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
That's crazy, dude. I think there's some.
तभी
well,
this Dota gang is doing it, fucking cheapskates.
there's an ecological argument there, there's an environmental argument, and as a man who cares for the earth, for the planet, perhaps this is the way to go. Okay,
PETA hates you,
there
but
are-
the supporters of the climate convention love you.
there are surprisingly so many videos of smoking lizard on the YouTube. And why am I surprised, I guess, is the question.
Bro, we gotta try.
I am not doing this.
To
I'm not-
suppress this trend in society is what I'm trying to say.
Guys,
Obviously.
I mean, PETA, if you're really going to fucking pick up a cause, the burgers are good.
Yeah, leave my fucking cows and chickens. Well, cows is another problem. Leave my chickens alone.
Yeah, depending on which state you are in this country.
Correct.
Yeah, not all states.
Yeah, but mostly the भैंस ही मिल रहा है. Mostly.
Is it?
Buff क्या है बेंचो?
अरे मैं कह रहा हूँ मोस्टली की बात सही है क्या? मुझे नहीं पता. काफी स्टेट्स में मिलता है यार. I don't know. Maybe it's not an even split.
I think केरला में मिल रहा है.
Yeah, for a state like Gujarat,
और
तो
North East में
आधा देश ही वेजिटेरियन है.
I think सिर्फ केरला में मिलता है. लीगली की बात कर रहा हूँ.
No, केरला, गोवा,
केरला, गोवा
कर्नाटका?
एक्चुअल गाय मिल रही है.
कर्नाटका भी मिलता है.
नहीं, कर्नाटका में बफ है, जो बीफ बोलते रहते हैं, नहीं है, वो भैंस है.
अच्छा, are you serious?
बैंगलोर में, हाँ, ये मैंने सुन रखा.
Bangalore.
और नॉर्थ ईस्ट आई बिलीव में शायद समवेयर और द अदर चलता है, या आई बिलीव वहां बंद कर दिया था तो उन्होंने हाथ खड़े कर दिए. सम शिट. हैदराबाद में अपेरेंटली ओल्ड सिटी में जाओ तो भाई गाय ही मिलता है, बट देयर इज नो वे टू वेरीफाई दैट.
हाँ तो गाय तो वो तो बोलते बड़ा बोलते हैं ना. बड़ा तो यहाँ भी मिलता है supposedly, no? बड़ा इज बफ.
बड़ा
बड़ा बोलते हैं ना. बड़े के कबाब नहीं खाए तूने कभी दिल्ली 6 जाके?
बड़े के कबाब?
Literally, dude, it's
I've never heard that.
so that meat, when you go to Chandni Chowk and shit and you want to get a kebab, if you want a kofta kebab, तो कोफ्ता कबाब को या तो तुम मटन खा सकते हो या फिर तुम बड़े आते हैं फिर बफ या बीफ. अब डिपेंडिंग ऑन किम कुरैशी भाई को क्या मन कर रहा है तुम्हें खिलाने का, हो सकता है.
बट दिल्ली में लीगली तो नहीं मिलेगा.
लीगली नहीं मिल सकता है दिल्ली में. करेक्ट.
वो बड़ा कबाब, इफ दे स्टिल कॉलिंग इट दैट, वो आपको बफ दे रहे हैं.
They are
या
still literally
आप- या आप
after we shot your music video only, Rishabh and I went and we ate bade ke kebab in Chandni Chowk together, bruv.
wow.
Yeah, I'm talking about like a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, whatever the fuck.
Okay.
Right. Yes. Yeah, we
I
ate some bade
think
kebab.
it's probably still buff. though.
It could be, but you hear stories about actual beef paratha and shit.
अरे वो पता है, वो रूमर हर जगह चलती है कि नहीं ये वाला पता है, ये एक्चुअल
और ये बंदे देख भाई, अब उसने खुद ही रूमर फैला दिया कि मैं तो असली में तो मैं वही करा रहा हूँ.
हैदराबाद में भी यही सीन चल रहा था कि हाँ मुसलमान एरिया में ओल्ड सिटी में तो एक्चुअल बीफ मिलता है. मैंने खाया, मुझे तो लगा नहीं था कि एक्चुअल बीफ है. या तो क्वालिटी ऑफ बीफ इनका लो है बिकॉज गाय भी there's a difference between just putting a cow on the plate versus actually हाँ उस गाय का देखभाल हुआ है, it's reared properly etc whatever. हो सकता है वो ढूंढ रहे हैं हाँ वो लावारिस गाय उसको मार के वो
हाँ,
because there's so many free
एक पतली सी सड़क से उठा ली जिसमें कुछ ना तो कोई मार्बलिंग ना कोई चर्बी है
so
ना
वो
कुछ.
quality of meat तो उससे better तो buff ही खा लो which is actually reared properly in whatever.
True.
So I mean come on guys.
Figure it out, man. Fucking meat is meat, bro. Let me just eat it. And also, fucking Peter, figure out a better cause. Get after these fucking retards, restarts.
Meat is meat.
Smoking fucking lizards and shit.
Let me eat it, let me beat it, you know.
On that note, Jai Lund, Jai Lodasur.
Jai Lodasur.
Jai Lodasur. Good night.